Hi everyone, today we are making the easiest Mediterranean Poached cod, juicy, fresh and ready in just 10 minutes. Let's go. And I start by turning the oven on to 200 degrees. Then I take a saucepan, I took some thyme and bay leaf. I want to boil it. Now I'm going to put the almonds into the oven during 15 minutes. I want to roast them. And I peel shallot. I want to chop it as finely as possible. I just sharpen the knife onto a Japanese stone. I love it. Then I'm going to prepare the cod. And of course, you've got all the ingredients into the description below. When it's boiling, I add them into it. And once it boils again, I stop the heat and I wait 5 minutes. During that time, I'm going to chop the almonds. It's going to be our crunchy. And then we're good for the fish. Now I want to slice it. You see, I just follow the lines. Just like that. I add the shallots. You have to be very generous with it. The olive oil. Now I'm pressing a lemon. I want to take the juice. Up. I'm taking the parsley, but if you have some basil or coriander, it works as well. It's just that I had that into my fridge. Yeah, good Mediterranean recipe. The almonds. And now I'm zesting a lemon. I'm zesting a lime. I had it into my fridge as well. I'm adding a few pinches of paprika, some black pepper and salt, and a pinch of fleur de sel. Be very generous with it. And we're good. I hope you'll give this recipe a try. Thanks so much for watching, and if you enjoyed it, don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time in a new Mediterranean recipe. Bye!